Hi, in this video, I'll explain how you can manually update the course completion status in the system to ensure that learner progress is displayed correctly, even after changes has been made to the course content. During course management, it often happens that the course content is updated after learners have already started going through it. For example, new lessons may be added, or unnecessary lessons or quizzes may be removed. This can lead to a mismatch between the actual learner progress and the displayed course status. For instance, a learner may have completed the course, but the status still shows in progress. To fix this, you can use the manual course status update feature. Administrators can manually trigger a recalculation of the course completion status for a specific learner. To do this, go to the learner's profile and select the specific course that has in progress status. Please note that this feature is only available to users with administrator or owner roles. Next to each course with the in progress status, you will see a three-dot menu. By clicking on it, you will find the option Refresh Status. Keep in mind that the Refresh Status button is only displayed for courses that are currently in progress. Once you click the button, the background recalculation process will start. You will see a notification indicating that the update is being processed in the background. After the process is launched, the button becomes inactive for 1 hour for that specific course learner pair. When hovering over it, you will see the time when the feature will be available again. This limitation works independently for each course learner pair. This means you can update different courses for the same learner at the same time without waiting. The same functionality is also available for learning paths. If the update is triggered for a course that is part of learning path, the entire learning path progress will be automatically recalculated. Overall, the course status update feature makes it much easier to manage learning progress and helps keep data accurate without extra effort. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.